Yo, what's up guys, it's me Borys and welcome in today's trade recap. Today I took a long on Nasdaq and it was a losing trade. I lost 461 bucks. I really like the setup. I think it was an A++ setup. Everything was aligned and I just lost. It happens sometimes. And yeah, we'll as always go over this price action, go over my thinking process and why I took this trade. So basically today I was very bullish because we are inside of this weekly fair value gap. We are pushing up and we are close. We are like pushing up towards this daily fair value gap. So this was my draw on liquidity today and very similar on ES. When you look at for our charts, we are currently respecting this forward fair value gap on both Nasdaq and ES. So it was another sign that we want to go higher. On 30-minute charts, we had this 30-minute unmitigated fair value gap as well as the sell side liquidity. And I wanted to use it as my key level today. So basically what happened at market open was that we swept the sell side on ES, creating a bullish SMT. And we also tapped into this 30-minute fair value gap on Nasdaq. So we had key levels. We were in a place of distribution on both Nasdaq and ES. From there, all I looked for was for my entry, and I used the highest time frame fair value gap as my entry. So once we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, I even refined my entry with this 1-minute fair value gap to get the best risk to reward. I had my stop loss right here. I should have had it at this low, but I've noticed that we have stuck lows here. So if we tap it, I don't wanna be in a trade no more. First we inversed 3-minute fair value gap on ES. Then I waited for Nasdaq. I entered. I was targeting this daily fair value gap. And yeah, once I entered, we immediately started to go down. And this was pretty scary. I thought that, I will lose in a couple of minutes. Then we started to push up. I trimmed my stop loss to here because, I thought that there is no sense. I didn't want to be in this trade if we push and sweep this low. And yeah, then we came down and stopped me out. And now we are like still chopping. The first 15 minutes of market open is just straight out chop. And yeah, I think it was a really, really good trade. Maybe, we'll create SMT and now maybe there will be a re-entry with this 3-minute inversion, but I already locked myself out of trading. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Yo.